Welcome to BlizzardWorld.
Alright, we're not playing Rainbow Six Siege here either. Or Mario Kart. But what else? One last thing. That time of me coaching, basically showing you the way through pairs, that is the only time I'll ever do that for you on a new map. Well, every time there's a new map, I'll walk you through it. But I'll do it once. After that, I will not do it mid-fight, I will not do it mid-game, it will only be through bot games.
Alright.
You going dev or dev?
Your
We
choice.
go dev, I had to switch.
Dive is good, isn't it?
Okay, so
You want me alone?
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
what is everybody talking about in the chat?
I don't know. We just started yelling stuff out.
So we're talking about like, which map are we going to do next? Hybrid. And then Gabe said BlizzardWorld, but Thicky said what was it? Nuketown, and then we all just like start memeing from there.
One. Attackers incoming. Defend
Our setup is so off right now. What are we doing?
I have no idea.
Okay, so we didn't even come in with a plan, so that's already a strike.
Just play right here. Yeah, set up ship right now. So I could peek.
Don't worry, my friend. I have your shield.
They're on top left. On Griffin.
Monkey jumping.
Monkey jumping.
I'm sleeping.
Damn it, I can't get you, Anna. Damn
Need
it.
heals, please.
Both healers in.
I am all alone right now. I need
Anna
help,
one,
I need
Anna
help.
one.
Okay. Yeah. Our setup is fucked up.
Diva there.
You have no
I'm
health.
Sorry, we both died.
Alright, I think they backed up.
They're like, there's no healing.
I got dived by Lucio and Winston.
Nice.
Ah!
Maybe he was one.
You got nano?
She's got mech back, so if he's here.
40.
Damn it.
I might just have to bleed then. I'll hold it all the way.
Come and face me.
Remember when I said with
Bleed if they ever push in. I don't know what you guys are doing.
hide from my sight.
I feel like we're giving them too much ground. Leave left side. Oh,
T1. Genji one. Dashed me, I was anti.
alright, monkey discord. Ah, there you go.
Ah! He's gonna
They
get
got
me.
your healers. You have no healers. Alright, so we're gonna have to reset, like, completely.
Alright,
Shots.
I don't know if Tiket's gonna
Not over.
make it.
Objective.
I'm bad spawn for sure.
My ultimate.
Honestly, it's not that far
So anybody in bad spawn?
compared to us.
Yeah.
It's fine. I'm good. You just keep going up.
Just
We
push
got a
in.
tracer. Watch tracer.
I have nano now.
Genji's half of top.
Diva up top. Diva discorded. Diva half.
Back up. Kill Diva, she's on.
Diva's one. Genji, no deflect. Push Genji.
Monkey discorded.
He's on.
Get you down.
Monkey on, needs heals.
Warning, I can't see you.
Got you. Monkey dead.
Push cart. Go to cart.
No one can hide from my sight.
Tracer behind. Watch
Tracer on the
tracer.
left.
Watch tracer on you, Reds.
You have nano, yeah?
You're going to be okay.
Okay, cool.
I see him. I have nano, yes.
Okay. I'll let you know.
Barrier activated.
Diva's half.
Enemy contact.
Alright, pushing.
They're gonna try to dive me.
Chase on the left again. Oh
Tracer
crap.
discorded. Tracer discorded. Ah!
People behind. Genji.
Tracer
and-
half. Tracer half.
Yo, give me now.
Oh shit.
Genji discorded.
Moved away from me. Sorry.
I'm farming. I'm farming.
There we go.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
Tracer back. Tracer.
Tracer behind us.
Lucio one.
I need help. I need help.
Oh my god, I can't hit him.
Back into the fray.
Sorry, Moni. You dashed under the bridge, and I was.
Okay.
Or you dashed over the bridge, and I was.
Creature's going right side.
Monkey's discorded.
They're going on top again.
Genji discorded.
Tracer going behind on the right.
Nice.
Monkey's discorded. Monkey's half.
Monkey one.
Monkey one. Oh!
Still one.
Lucio one.
Lucio anti. Monkey on me. A monkey on me. You have no heals.
Try to be careful.
Watch out for the Dragon Blade. I'm pretty sure Genji got it. Got you. Alright, I'm coming back. I might need... There you go.
Maybe we don't come peek.
Poke out a little bit, Genji.
It's okay.
Alright.
Right there to the left.
Oh my god, I'm bad position.
Monkey one.
Damn it.
Oh nice. Alright, I'm garbing.
You're antied a bit.
I will not give up the fight.
Okay, we got him.
Oh crap.
I think Baby Diva's still alive. Or no, she's got. What is she doing?
Alright, Romel, since they bladed already, you can use trance to help save someone or do it during the fight to sustain.
Right. I was thinking that.
Diva one.
Pressure Diva, she's solo. Nice. Out of mech.
Genji discorded.
I'm one.
Got you.
Oh no. Monkey discorded.
Hanzo half.
Antied.
Hanzo
one.
discorded. Good clean up. Man.
Okay, that was good. And I know that situation where you want to hold trance for the Genji play, but it never comes into